Okay, so I managed to get this plug out from the mirror. The plug was normally wedged into this like this. It was wedged in here like this, which made it hard to plug it in, but I managed to unwedge it out. There's these two clip like things, so I was able to remove it from the connector, and now I have this connector, and it's easier to test these two lights, the turn light and this puddle light, so I can plug it into this connector over here. So that's what I'm going to try to do now, and then test it. And I think it was facing up like this, so it should probably be connecting. I'm gonna let it hang. And basically I'm gonna plug it in. And okay, so it's plugged in. Oh, it keeps coming out. I'll continue this video after I plug this in.